hook up the stereo system to it. Got a place to put a TV here, outlet here, and place to hook up for your dog there. I'll let this thing down. It's got a backup camera, but I've never hooked up anything to it yet. I haven't done that. This is another thing to let that is where the propane furnace is. Connections. I got water and electricity hooked up to it now. This is an outdoor shower. I have to get the key, but you can rinse off outdoors. There's the propane furnace. And going inside, let's see what we got here. This folds up. This is a queen size bed. A window you can open. It's got USB chargers over there. This is called a bunk, but only for a small child it would be good. Otherwise, it's just a good place to put all your clothes and luggage. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. There's the control panel. You can turn on the pump, turn on the water heater, and the awning. Let me see, I haven't done that. No, it's the awning lights. And that is... Ah, there we go. I'm not going to pull that out because that wind's pretty bad right now. I see. Let me turn those awning lights off. There's a microwave. I pop popcorn in it. This is a battery-powered refrigerator and freezer. Pretty big, actually. Froze that glass of water. It's actually a pretty darn good sized refrigerator. For 1 or 2 people, that's a lot. Let me see, light. Exhaust fan. There's a propane stove. Let's see if I can get this to work right. Huh, okay. That's what I get. Oh, it helps. It has a safety switch for children. I forgot about that. There it goes. Self-lighting. I'll put it back on safety. That's the furnace. And this is a big sink here with this thing that goes over it like this. Pretty cool. This has a HDMI, so you can like plug a TV or something into it. This is a USB thing where so I can play oh, what am I doing here? USB. Oh yeah, Bob Hope radio shows from 1937. Oh no, that's 1955 radio sci-fi show. All right, let me go open this thing up. Oh yeah, the bathroom is not too spacious, but it's sufficient. There's a bathtub, although it's not really deep enough for a bathtub, but it has a shower and a sink and ventilation right here, which you can turn on. That's pretty cool. I've actually barely used this. I've just played with the grandkids in it. It's all I've really done. Let me open her up here. Let's see. That. And down she comes. Now this lowers, those seats both fold up and it'll hold, just barely, it'll hold the razor. But for any other, it'll hold it pretty well. These things go up into a patio here. So I'm going to put it up here. You can put this up into a walk-on patio here. There we go. Now we got the patio up here. And And what you do is you fold those in, disconnect that, and it lowers to the ground. Lift up those seats there. You put the cushions up on that second cot up there, which is a good place for putting cushions. And you just drive right on. Be a good place if you have a dog or something, like I do. Could also, if you have this set up like this in the wintertime, you put these down where you can either have a screen or have the canvas to keep the heat in, keep the bugs out. These seats here go up out of the way. Anyway, I've only had a buttoner back up for the night. It looks like it may rain. I really love this thing, but I really don't need it. Anyway, what else we got in here? Old sci-fi radio shows. I love those. Oh yeah, built-in air conditioner, which I checked, it does work. Well, there you go. In the loaded ramp move, these tables go up like this. As cushions can be put up yonder. That table can be set anywhere, even outside. And that's just basically the way it works. I loaded 3 80cc of my grandkids' four-wheelers in there the other day. So it'll hold not something huge, but it'll accommodate a racer or smaller. Anyway, that's all for now.